morning, students. Today we will learn about the vegetation types we usually see in a topographical maps. So vegetation is correlated with the type of climate, soil, land use pattern and occupation of a particular area. For an example, deciduous forest is most widespread all over India and it reflects the tropical and subtropical climate. So we can see that tropical and subtropical climate support deciduous forest. Now, all over the topographical map, you will see, if you see scattered scrub and thorny bushes, it indicates desert condition. If coniferous vegetation is found in the map, it indicates cool temperate climate. Lowlands have scattered vegetation. This indicates agriculture. This means that the main occupation is agriculture, while in deserts the occupation suitable is animal rearing because the land is not fit for growing crops. Dense forest written on the topographical map indicate a region of heavy rainfall, whereas open jungle, if it is written there, it will indicate moderate rainfall. So these are the features based on which we can understand the different types of vegetation found in a topographical map. Here we will see the vegetation types or different types of vegetation, how they are symbolized or how they are shown in a topographical map. So reserved forest, they are written in the topographical map. It is mentioned there as RF. It is a forested area where the trees are not allowed to be cut or deforestation is banned by the forest department. So we find reserve forest in a topographical map in one part of it. Then we need to understand that this area is protected and it's not allowed to cut trees out here. Now there is another term mentioned in the topo sheet, that is protected forest or PF. So trees here are planted in order to check soil erosion. They act as shelter belts against the agents of erosion. Now students, protected forests are usually seen on along the margins of the deserts. They are like shelter belts. They are grown to reduce the velocity or break the speed of the wind so that they cannot carry the sand beyond the desert area, and this is mainly done to check the expansion of deserts. So the protected forest, they act like check belts or shelter belts, and they do not allow the wind to carry the sand beyond the desert area. Now next you will find terms like mixed jungle. So it's a jungle or forest area which contains mixed variety of trees and are scattered all over the area. You will also find open mixed jungle. So here trees of different varieties you will find scattered all over, and this indicate moderate rainfall in this region. Though this jungle is mixed jungle, but here the second one is scantier, means the trees are less in number compared to the mixed jungle. The next one is open scrub. It is the vegetation found in regions with less than 100 centimeters of rainfall. It indicates a dry region. So definitely where only grasses grow and the rainfall is less than 100 centimeters, definitely it will not support trees. So this indicates dry region and scanty rainfall. The next one is dense forest. So this type of vegetation is found in hilly areas where rainfall is heavy. In the topo sheet, it is printed as fairly dense jungle or fairly dense forest or mixed forest. So if we find these terms, we need to understand that the rainfall is quite good and therefore it can support dense vegetation. Now you can see here dense mixed jungle with bamboo. So this jungle, this forest is dense and it has mixed variety of trees, different variety of trees, and bamboo is quite common. So it is mentioned specifically that densely mixed jungle with bamboo. You can see this another term, fairly dense mixed jungle. So it is not very dense, but more or less it is dense and it has mixed variety of trees. So it is written fairly dense mixed jungle. Here we can see the term open mixed jungle. So this forest area is not very dense, but mixed varieties of trees are found here. Here we can see open scrub. As I told you, the rainfall is less than 100 centimeters, so only grasses grow and they are very ideal for cattle rearing, sheep rearing. Now here we will find a term fairly dense scrub. So as I told, scrubs are mostly grassland, but when the rainfall is little more, as we can see this region has a lot of dense contour and has height, so maybe the rainfall is little more, so it is fairly dense scrub. So more grasses are available here. So these are the different ways by which vegetation is represented in a topographical map. Thank you.